Hey, welcome back. Today I wanted to talk about Trader Joe's Brazilian Nut Body Trio. First off, if you know, you know. All right, if you know, you know this is already something that you want. Super cute. It has the body butter, the body mist, and the body oil in it. 2 unreleased products, which is really, really important. If you're a Brazilian nut girly, then you already know that the lotion is nice, thick, creamy. So what I wanted to do was first unpack it and talk about which products I'm interested in the most and why. So if you know anything about this, you know that it has a pistachio caramel scent that they talk about on the box. That's pretty much the scent description of it. It's been compared to the Bum Bum Cream Brazilian Nut, just a less expensive version. If you go to Trader Joe's, each product is probably like $5. So definitely budget affordable. I paid $12.99 for this, and for 3 products, I'm definitely happy. And let's see what's going on with this. So let's get this lotion out first. Well, actually it says body butter, so I'm interested in what the texture is because I know the lotion is pretty thick and creamy. So let's see if Trader Joe's and I have the same definition of what a body butter is. Okay, since there, as you can see, it's pretty thick, creamy. You see that? I'm not really seeing much of a difference from the lotion. It is a little bit more smooth. It is a little bit more smooth. So I will say that. Nice, thick, creamy. I'm not really a body butter person, but I do see why this would be necessary if I had extreme ash or wanted to like rub it on my chest area. I'm really here for the scent. I'm not here to get extremely hydrated or anything from these products. I'm here for the scent, okay? Let's be 100% honest, because I'm still gonna put my Vaseline on. I'm still gonna put my baby oil on, my Nivea. I'm here for the scent. So they have a body mist too, which I think is super cool. And I'm most excited about this product because, as you can see, I have a sew-in. I love spraying perfume in my hair, especially the sew-ins. And let me tell you, it's a complete game changer. I know the girlies always talk about hot spots here, hot spots there, but when you spray this in your hair, and let's say you do a little hair flip, everyone's getting it. Everyone's getting a soft blow of your scent. And you can't pay for that type of advertisement, if you get what I'm saying. So just spray it in your hair and let it dry a little, and it smells amazing in your hair. I've gotten compliments in the club, and if you know what the club smell like, then you know it. Getting a compliment in there is amazing. But the Brazilian Nut Body Mist, let's see if it's like, okay, since they're a little bit of a water base. You know, sometimes they put oil in these and it gets a little hectic. But this one has seaweed extract and aloe vera, so it's definitely water-based. Dried pretty easily. I could see me having this in my purse or in the car. This is definitely something that I would use for to go. And speaking of being on the go with these products, this one is 6 ounces. So I would have assumed everything in here would be travel size, but this one is 6 ounces. The body butter is 3 ounces. So keep that in mind when traveling, because you don't want TSA to toss your shit. And finally, we have the body oil. So I'm most excited for this. Again, for the scent. The scent carries a lot better when you have a body oil. And also to put this on my nails and hands as a cuticle oil and make sure that my nails are looking in tip-top shape. This has, okay, hold on. Squalene, I can't even read this font. Squalene and Purina extract. So those sounds like good things because obviously they're advertising them. And they're saying you can massage with it. Okay, cool. Let's see what the texture is hitting for. Oh, okay. It feels like baby oil. It feels like baby oil. Yeah, it's definitely giving baby oil. Normally I'm used to a little bit of a thicker oil, but this is cool. This is cool. I could definitely work with this. It spreads a lot easier than what I would have imagined. Definitely can take care of any ash on my hands or on my cuticles. I do not like ashy hands. I like for my nails to just pop and be moisturized. Definitely could see me using this on my feet. So this is pretty good. This is actually a lot better. I imagine with this combined with the body butter, it would really hit and moisturize the way that I needed to. And I really like that. So overall for these products, I will say, first off, you get 3 of them for $12.99. So let's keep it cute here. But the smell is consistent. The products kind of do what they need to do. I am worried about this maybe like dripping in my purse. So maybe it's something that I'll keep in my car. But, ooh, it's glass. I didn't notice that. It's glass. I like that. I like that. Actually makes me want to buy another one because I love glass packaging. But yeah, this is actually amazing. And I'm so glad that I bought it. I'm not really a gift set girly. However, as I've gotten older, I've seen the point of them. This is 2 ounces, by the way. Sorry if I didn't say that earlier. I would give this gift set about an 8.5 out of 10. And the only reason it's an 8.5 is because this is not travel size. I understand the way people pump body spray that you need a bigger one, but you kind of just want everything to be travel size these days. And that was my main focus when purchasing this. But I do love it and I understand why it's bigger. So that's why it's only 1.5. Outside of that, I also wanted to talk about the other products from Trader Joe's for people who are not familiar with the line. These products went absolutely viral. They've been so hard to keep in stock. If you ever do go into Trader Joe's, you will see a sign that says only 2 per person, only 2 per person per trip, or things of that nature. Here are some other products that were dropped with the same scent earlier this year that kind of like blew me away that I luckily still have. They dropped a shower gel, which I absolutely loved and smells amazing. I still use it. It dropped in May and I still have it. Been holding on to it. I absolutely love it. Smells great in the shower, fills the shower up, and amazing. They also have a body scrub that, again, I love. I love layering scents. If you're a layered scents girly, then this line is perfect for you. Everyone loves it. It definitely turns heads. It's very soft, subtle, and a little bit of sweet. So, you know, your boo's gonna like it too. And you know, who doesn't like that part? But I absolutely love this scent and I'm so happy that they are still experimenting with the line. They found something that works for them and they are expanding it. I will be reviewing other products that I purchased just so everyone knows, you know, what to expect when they buy it, what type of products it is, because a lot of these products are sealed and you can't open them, or just to even explain lines that already exist that you may not know about, because some people don't know about this and you need to know about this. You definitely need to know about this. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys next time.